This first video clip, I'm going to show you how to edit the fields that are in the default Excel Refreshable reports. Now remember, these reports are based on the default objects that come out of SmartList. So if you want to add them, there are some tips and tricks you can do. For example, I'm going to pull up my 1099 vendor list in payables. And you can see there are only 4 fields that pop up. The vendor ID, the vendor name, 1099 type, and the 1099 box. If I also want to see the tax ID fields in here, just to make sure they're populated, then what I can do to make this happen is go up into Data. Now I'm in Excel 2013. Data, Connections, Properties. I'll click on Definition. And in the command text, I'll select it all and copy. Now what I'm going to do is open up my SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to open up my SQL Server Management Studio. And then I'll go to my database for the lesson company. Now I just like to do, you could do it in query, but I prefer to do it in views. I think it's simpler. And I'll paste it in my view and refresh. And now what you're going to see is you could see the data results yields those 4 fields, but you could see that I'm actually getting access to a lot of other columns. And this is the same as if in SmartList I'd went to columns, add columns, and now I can come in here and add my tax ID number. And I'm going to actually add the tax account number. Well, just the tax ID number, sorry. And now refresh again, and that is yielding the data that I want. And I will come in here and copy my text. And actually, if it comes up top 100%, I don't know that it really matters, but I'm going to remove that. I'll go back into Excel, and where the command text is here, I'll delete what was there and add in the new text. And when I click OK, I'm getting a warning that this is now changed based on the ODC file that was out there. And is that okay? Do I want to proceed with changes to the connection for this workbook? So I've actually changed the connection file. And I'll click OK. And now you can see that this field has been added. So if I were to save this, I now have access to it again. So let me close it out, pull it back up in Excel. And you could see it does indeed save it ongoing with this new tax ID number. So that's one easy way to edit the Excel Refreshable reports out of the box to make them help your customer achieve what they need to do. Hope this helps. Thanks.